Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious, easy, simple mango strawberry iced tea. I know it's the winter time, but this drink is perfect for any time of the year. So let's get into it. These are my ingredients. This is the green tea that I'm using. You can use your favorite tea. It could be black tea, it could be green tea, but you can use your favorite tea here. So I'm going to take the cord out of the tea bags. As you can see, I'm holding the base so the bag won't rip. And I pull the cord out and drop it into my little cup, my big cup. I love making juice in this cup. I don't know why, but it's my favorite thing to do because, it can hold hot or cold or whatever I want to do. So I'm going to add just enough hot water to seep the tea bags. I have 8 tea bags down in there. So it's going to be very, very potent. And that's what you want because you're going to add tons and tons of water to that. Next, I'm going to start chopping up my strawberries. You can do whatever shape you want. However, for the aesthetic look that I'm going for, and what I hope you guys do as well, is the small bits and pieces that your guests could just eat as they're drinking their little drink. It's like a cute little drink. It can also be a little cute appetizer because they're snacking on the strawberries and the mangoes. But you guys get the point. After the tea seeped, like I said, it's very potent. I removed the bags. I added some sugar. It's not much sugar, only a third cup of sugar. Now I'm adding some water at this point because I want to cool down. The tea was still very much so warm, and so I wanted to cool it down a bit. This is the mango syrup that I'll be using. I found this in the liquor store, but I believe it's in the supermarket over by where you'll find the wine or the water and those mixers. That's where you'll find that mango syrup. To my big old pitcher, I'm going to add some mango pieces as well as some strawberry pieces, and then I'm going to start building the drink from here. So this is what I mean when I say it's not a sweet drink, because I added like 6 bottles of water to that 1/3 cup of sugar. So it's not sweet by any means. However, you can adjust this by leaving the sugar out. It's not mandatory. Or if you like sweets, you can add more sugar to it. Alright, so I almost forgot my lemons, but I was right on time. I'm going to add my 2 lemons down in here, the juice of 2 lemons. And that's pretty much it for the drink. And it's so simple, it's delicious, it's so refreshing, and only a few ingredients with a couple steps. This is where I tasted it to see if I liked the flavor of it. And I wanted more mango syrup, so I added more mango syrup, just a few more drops. And I'm going to mix it up, and that's it. So I'm going to pour it up and let you guys see how I serve it up. If you make this for your guests on Christmas or whatever event, just add your ice to your glasses, add some pieces of the fruit, the mango and the strawberries, and then pour the drink right down on there and serve it up. And I guarantee you, your family, your guests are going to love this drink because it's so easy to make and delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have another one coming tomorrow. Not a drink, but I'll be back tomorrow. 25 days of foodmas. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, y'all.